Hello everyone, and today we will be building a computer, and yeah, this is it. So I'm just going to do a few walking through whatever things of it, and yeah, should be pretty good. Alright, so I've opened up the case. As you can see, I've already installed the power supply. It's a modular, so good cable management. And yeah, the case is a Corsair Spec 04, and then the motherboard is that. Graphics card's that. I'm gonna get an SSD eventually, but this will do for now. Underneath there's the Wi-Fi card and everything. I've got an i5 8600K, and then that CPU cooler. I've got 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and then that's the temporary monitor. So yeah, let's do the things with the motherboard. Alright, so it's been about half an hour, and in that time I've managed to install the motherboard with the CPU, which was quite easy, and then the CPU cooler was very difficult because it was one of them where you had to screw them in, and yeah, it took a while because it hardly fit. So it's done now, it's all installed as well as the RAM. So now I'm on to the next part of the thing. Alright, so a bit has happened. I've installed the graphics card now and the hard drive, and I'm about to install the PCIe cable. Alright, the time is currently 5 to 6. It's taken me about 2 hours to do this, but it's pretty much complete because I've done most of the cable management, and yeah, I just need to put the panels on and see if it turns on. Alright, moment of truth. Ooh. It's on. It started. Gosh, that looks nice. But, does it boot? We are successful. Here's the computer. As you can see, all I needed to do was plug in the keyboard and mouse, and then it's now started to function. So I'm going to run through the setup process. Just quickly, US. It's very quiet. I wasn't actually expecting it to be this quiet. Setup is starting. It does look very nice, especially that. I love that. I don't have one. We go Windows 10 Home. Agree. Custom. There. Next. There we go. So, first ever PC built by me, and it functions. Yes. Alright, so the setup process is complete. PC is here, it is now night time, and yeah, I'm just downloading all of the drivers and getting the very latest version of Windows, and yeah, so this should be pretty good. When it's all set up, I shall come back to you. Alright, and here we are, a few hours later, with all the drivers installed. I'm downloading Fortnite, of course, just because. So here it is, in my setup. I really like how it looks, honestly. I could not be more pleased with how it turned out. I might do RGB lighting, so stay tuned for that. The keyboard will be replaced with Logitech keyboard, and the Logitech MX Master will be a mouse. The monitor will get changed eventually because the screen resolution on this, it's worse than I thought. I thought this thing did a solid 1920 by 1080, I think it is. But it does quite a fair bit worse than that. that is the resolution it sticks at. Yeah, 1920 by 1080 is the one that I thought this TV was capable of. But no, this. If you put on this, then that happens. So yeah. But other than that, it's a pretty decent PC. I might come back tomorrow and launch up a few games and just give a few benchmarks. Forgot to mention, I bring Racing Wheel upstairs so I can play Forza on this and see if it works. So yeah. Alright, so it's been just over a day and I've managed to get a few things sorted for the PC. I've managed to get, okay, first up, show it. So, as you can see, I have the racing wheel and everything. Keyboard hasn't changed, but as you can see, I've gotten speakers because I got a proper monitor, 21.5 inch Acer monitor, full 1920 by 1080 resolution. It's very good. Connected to the Logitech Z130, 230, I don't know. And then there's the subwoofer down there. But then there's something, I think you can see it. I put LED lighting in it, and it doesn't look too dramatic when there's light, but when there's not, look at how much better it actually. I'll turn off the monitor as well. There you go. Look at how much better that looks. It looks so good with this. But yeah, let's just turn this back on. If I can find the power, there we are. Launches back up. I'll turn the normal light on as well, because I shall oh, not that light. That's terrible. Here we go. Okay, so at the moment I'm online in Forza, the racing wheel and everything. Let's just give the car a few revs. Also, this is a 60Hz monitor, and I'm currently running Forza at 60 FPS, so it should appear on video just how I see it on my monitor, all in 60 frames per second. And I believe it does. Yes, okay. So, coming to shift with my right hand. That's the thing.